I'm thrilled to announce that we have a new shop, and I'm gonna take you on a quick tour to check it all out. We are on I-70 and Kipling. That right there is Super Target, and we're right behind it. We have this little pond out in front which has carp in it, and you should not eat the carp. The UFO runner's usually gonna be parked just like that in the front. We do have a large fenced in and secure parking lot for customer vehicles, and then we also have 60 parking spots. So plenty of room. If you're at the old space, you know we were in dire need of more parking. And when you walk in the front door here, you will almost always be greeted by Patrick and Ryan, who will be sitting at this desk. But if they're not there, there are plenty of employees here, and all of our offices are surrounding this main area. And in the main area is this seating space in front of the slat wall that kind of has our core offerings: lights, armor, wheels, tires, roof racks, and recovery gear, among other things. Obviously, we also do custom fabrication and overlanding stuff, and you name it. If it's Toyota 4x4, we do it. All of these walls were wrapped by Pure Blind, including in the Overlanding Showroom, which we'll get to in just a moment. But it's really cool. This is all done by AI, and that kind of looks like Japan. This kind of looks like the Black Hills, and that kind of looks like Moab over there. And then the other room is very Colorado feeling. But a lot more comfortable, a lot more functional. If you're hanging out with us for a day, or if you're hanging out with us while you wait for your Uber, you can just sit here or stand here and get some work done, do whatever you need to do. But this is my favorite room here. This is the Overlanding Showroom with a kitchenette as you walk in, water machine, and we have a truck bed over there with a light and a rack, FSR Evo V2, slouch couches all over this room, and it's wrapped 360 degrees in vinyl as well to bring the outdoors inside a little bit here. This merch wall looks totally pathetic, but hopefully soon it will not. Right now, it got totally taken out at our party, so don't judge us. If you haven't seen slouch couches before, they're really cool. Inflatable couches, we've got a bunch of them in stock and ready to sell. Intrepid chairs, front runner chairs, lava box like you're out camping. And we're gonna have all of this merchandised fully too. Right now it's just kind of set up post our party that we had. I always have to show people the ping pong table because it has a race truck render that we had made. And that's wrapped too. Pretty sweet. Excuse the mess over here, but I have to show you, Nick Hughes really does think he's funny. The guy who owns Pure Blind put that in there, an inspirational quote about adventure. What a goof. Another really nice bathroom back here. Our big conference room is over there. It's a mess, we don't need to go in there. Let's see what really matters. The shop space itself. This is where the magic happens. It is just so beautiful. I'm so proud that we've made it into a wonderful building like this. Oh, you want to see a sneak peek? We built this rear bumper, and it maintains all of your factory sensors. It also has a spot for some lights. We can match OEM colors underneath the aluminum top plate. And it's a true high clearance bumper. We were the first ones with this. An actual high clearance bumper on a 4th gen Tacoma. But we're also now making a front bumper, and I will give you just the smallest sneak peek because Dustin hasn't really gotten into this. He spent just a little bit of time. Hopefully he's not mad at me. That's gonna be the angle of the cuts, and this top bar is gonna be continuous, so we'll show you the whole thing when it's done, but that is just a start for a matching front bumper. Shop itself now has 6 lifts, an alignment rack, a fully dedicated fabrication space, and a place to rebuild shocks. This Land Cruiser deserves its own video because it is getting portals and 38s. This Tundra is actually going to Germany. I'm gonna film 2 YouTube videos today. One will be a breakdown on this build. And then we also have our parts receiving area and shipping area. And that's where Goat Shocks will be in its infancy as we develop our patent and start building. They'll be available starting in January 2026. These are the 38s that are going on that Land Cruiser. These Method 709s machined with a red ring. Whew. Really love that. It's nice to have an actual receiving area that's organized. Shout out to Tim for helping us get organized. He is taking on the role of being our parts coordinator and he's doing such an outstanding job. I'm gonna take you outside. Here's our fab area. Super pumped on the shop. Hope you guys are too. And this is our lot for customers to keep your truck secure. It is monitored on video and it's huge. So just a massive thank you guys. We definitely wouldn't be here without the support of YouTube. Even though we don't have a giant following on YouTube, we get so much work from people watching these videos and sharing these videos. And we just would not be here without all of you guys sharing, commenting, liking, and even the haters help with the algorithm. So thank you guys too, in a weird way. But if you guys need anything done on your Toyota 4x4s, let us know. Come by the shop, see this awesome new building, and we'd be happy to help make your dreams come true with your Toyota 4x4. Thanks for watching.